Installing the NiceCNC radiator guard onto my T7. So I got one side installed. Now I'll work on duplicating this on the other side. Basically this plate is covering the radiator and it'll make like a guard around it. Stainless steel rods connecting both sides, plus it attaches to the chassis right here. So this will replace the crash bars. Saves me a lot of weight. Okay, we gotta remove these two bolts. So we're gonna attach the other side of the cage, radiator cage. Now this is this side of the radiator guard that goes on, and these heads that come with the kit. These are the M6x20 bolts. They use a torque 30, where I took out these OEM factory bolts that were holding that part of the radiator. These will now attach to that rod there, and there's a stainless steel rod. You can see the tip of it right there, and it'll attach it to the stop bracket. You know, this bracket, the frame, basically the brace, that's going to shroud the radiator. A lot of vibration on these bikes, so put a little Loctite. Loctite. And maybe not tight too much because I don't move these bad boys around. This. Okay. So it's a little complicated putting this in. I have the Acerbis 6.2 tank on my Tenere, but you can do it. And that's the top bolt. You got to loosen these so you can move this around. And then here's the bottom one. You don't want to tighten it yet. You just present it all, and then here you can start kind of tightening it down to get these completed. That's the radiator guard on that side. This stainless steel rods on the top, and one right up there. See how that's indented there? You want to face that towards the cap so you have room, and gives you space. Installation is complete. The NiceCNC radiator guard on my T7. Pretty robust, to say, and it saves all the weight of the crash bars.